Guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a Victoria's Secret haul. It's been a while since I've done one, and there's a few things that I'm missing, but I'll just say what they were. One thing I am wearing, it is one of the Super Push bras from Victoria's Secret Pink. I absolutely love these. They give you a lot of push, and I just really love these bras. They ended up being my favorite of all the bras that I bought during the semi-annual sale. These are my favorite. I did get this one in the leopard print. Alright, so that was the first thing. And I do have that on. The second one is this one. Again, it's a Super Push, and it is in the camo. Absolutely love this print. Typical normal pink here you got in there. And I love the band. It's really soft, and it doesn't like stick you in anywhere or make you so you like bulgy or anything like that. It's very smoothing, so I recommend that. And I love how it says pink all along the border there. I did order a few things online because in the store they didn't have them. When that comes, I will share. I did get this. It's the Victoria's Secret Tropic Splash. Smells so good. Oh god. The notes on this is juicy citrus, mango peach, neon burst. It smells so good. It literally smells like summer in a bottle. Absolutely love it. And downstairs I have a matching spray and lotion set of the Secret Dreamer. It smells so amazing. It's in like this really pretty purple bottle. When I was going to checkout, they had them on sale for $4.99. Guys, it smells so good. It's like a frosted coconut or something. So good. I absolutely, oh, I love it. It smells, oh, so good, so good. Oh. Next, I was so pumped. This is the first time I ever got a pink dog. It was during the National Puppy Day, National Dog Day, and I finally got myself a pink dog. I know that's so silly, but I've always wanted one, even in high school, and I always missed it every time of the year where they did the free pink dog and all that, and I'm so happy I have one. I have to organize my vanity and get my life together, but I think I'm going to put him on here somewhere because I just think he's so cute. Ooh. But yeah, that was some of the goodies I got. Really love the Super Push bras. They're always 2 for $49.95, I believe. So pretty much 2 for $50. But get them while they're on sale. They're having lots of sales lately, and you got the coupons, you got the Victoria's Secret credit card. You can always get lots of deals with them, but they put out a lot of deals where you can get these bras for $19.95. They do have other styles, but I just love the Super Push. It's my absolute favorite. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be back within probably, hopefully, like in a week or so with the rest of the goodies. Thanks guys so much for watching. Bye!